Have you ever wondered why being too good at something sometimes works against you? Why your hard work and brilliance might make someone resent you instead of praise you? Welcome to the first law of power: never outshine the master. Ignore this, and you could destroy your career, relationships, or even your reputation. This law isn't about dimming your light, it's about understanding human nature. People in positions of authority, your boss, a teacher, even a friend, can feel threatened if you appear to surpass them. Why? Because power is fragile, and the higher someone is, the more insecure they often feel about their position. When you make your superiors feel insecure, they don't see your brilliance as an asset, they see it as a threat. And history has shown that those in power will do anything to eliminate a threat. So what's the solution? Stay smart. Let them shine, even if you're the one doing the work. Master the art of subtlety. Imagine this. You're in a workplace working tirelessly to prove yourself. You're the one coming up with solutions, driving projects, and even covering for your team's mistakes. At first, your boss praises you in meetings, but over time, something changes. They become distant, critical, or even dismissive. What went wrong? The more you excelled, the more your boss felt insecure. You didn't intend to overshadow them, but unknowingly you made them feel irrelevant. This happens not just in offices, but in schools, families, and even friendships. The key takeaway? People don't like to feel replaceable, especially those in power. Let's look at history. King Louis XIV of France, the Sun King, was obsessed with ensuring that no one outshone him. Even his closest advisors were forbidden from dressing more extravagantly than him. He surrounded himself with people who reinforced his glory. Why? Because he knew that the moment someone appeared more majestic, they'd become a threat. Louis's strategy worked. By keeping himself as the center of attention, he ruled for over 70 years, one of the longest reigns in European history. But those who dared to outshine him, like Nicolas Fouquet, his finance minister, faced ruin. Fouquet threw a lavish party to impress the king, but instead, Louis saw it as an act of arrogance. Fouquet was arrested and spent the rest of his life in prison. This pattern repeats across history. Roman emperors like Caligula and Nero punished those who grew too popular with the public. Even great generals like Julius Caesar fell victim to this law. Despite his victories, his growing power made the Senate feel threatened. The result? Betrayal and assassination. The lesson is clear. Never let your light blind those above you. So what's the lesson here? Be excellent, but be strategic. Let your brilliance benefit others, especially those in power. Make them feel like they shine brighter because of you. That's the real power play. This is just the beginning of your journey to mastering power. If this resonated with you, check out the full playlist for the 48 Laws of Power. Every law has the potential to change how you think, work, and live. We're completing this series, so hit subscribe and stay tuned for the next law. It's a game changer.